Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can use message to reveal sticker on Instagram story. So the first step you need to do is to open Play Store and search for the Instagram. So once you are on Instagram, click here and you need to update your Instagram application. Once you update, you need to go back and you need to open Instagram. So once you open Instagram, click on your story and you need to take a picture. So let's suppose I'm going to take this picture from my gallery. Okay, and then you need to click on this icon and here you can see an option of reveal. Make sure you update your Instagram. After that you have this option, so click on that. So here you can see that message to reveal. This story will be blurred, people can see it after they message you. So here you can see that we are going to use this. Click on done, and after that you need to share it with your friend. So this is the process. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you, have a good day.